In this video, I'm going to show you how to import audio in Adobe Premiere Pro using a few simple methods, including the media browser, drag and drop, the import menu, and a quick double-click method inside the project panel. This is one of those basic skills that makes editing much faster, because once your audio is imported correctly, you can start building your timeline, adding music, voiceovers, sound effects, and syncing everything exactly how you want. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like, and make sure you subscribe for more Premiere Pro tips, editing shortcuts, and beginner-friendly tutorials. Let's start with the recommended method, which is using the media browser. First, open Adobe Premiere Pro and look for the media browser panel. You'll usually find it on the bottom left side of the workspace. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. Just go up to the top menu, click Window, and then select Media Browser. Once it opens, use the browser to navigate to the folder where your audio file is saved. This can be an MP3 file, a WAV file, AAC, or any other compatible audio format. When you find the file you want, click it once to select it. From here, you have two options. You can right-click the file and choose Import, or you can simply drag the file into the project panel. The project panel is where all of your imported media is stored before you place it into your timeline. This method is especially useful because it helps Premiere Pro handle your media more reliably, and it's a great choice when you're working with larger projects or organized folders. Now let's move on to the fastest method, which is drag and drop. This is perfect when you already know exactly where your file is stored on your computer. Open your Premiere Pro project, then open your file folder in File Explorer or Finder. Find the audio file you want to use, click and drag it directly into the project panel or even straight into the timeline if you're ready to edit immediately. Once you release the mouse, Premiere Pro will import the audio for you automatically. If you drag the audio into the timeline, Premiere Pro may place it onto an audio track, depending on where you drop it. This is a very quick workflow when you're in a hurry, but just make sure the file lands in the correct area so it doesn't overwrite anything important in your sequence. For most people, dragging into the project panel first is the safest option, especially if you want to organize your assets before editing. Another easy way to import audio is by using the import menu. To do this, go to File at the top of Premiere Pro, then click Import. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+I on Windows. This is a very familiar method if you like using menus and shortcuts. After clicking Import, a file browser window will open. Navigate to the folder containing your audio, select the file, and then click Open. Once you do that, Premiere Pro will bring the audio into the project panel ready for use in your sequence. This method is simple, clean, and very reliable. It works well when you want to import one file at a time or when you want full control over exactly what you're bringing into the project. If you're just starting out, this is one of the most beginner-friendly ways to add audio to Premiere Pro. The final method is another quick trick inside the project panel. Just double-click on any empty space in the project panel. A file browser window will open, allowing you to select your audio file. Click the file, then click Import. Just like the other methods, the audio will appear in your project panel once it's been added. This is a great shortcut when you want to stay inside Premiere Pro and avoid moving through too many menus. So, to quickly recap, if you want the most recommended workflow, use the media browser. If you want the quickest method, drag and drop. If you prefer a standard menu option, use File and Import. And if you want a fast in-panel shortcut, double-click the project panel. All four methods work well, and the best one for you depends on how you like to edit. Once your audio is imported, you can start organizing it, renaming it if needed, and placing it into your timeline for editing. That's the whole process of importing audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. And once you get comfortable with it, it becomes a natural part of your editing workflow. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials, beginner tips, and editing walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.